Well, welcome back to the morning show. Now we trail Team Krish 3 in Singapore on a promotional bandwagon as they gear up for a Diwali release. We get chatting with Hrithik and Rakesh Roshan as they tell us how the franchise has become so huge that expectations are bound to be high. Here's our special coverage from Singapore.
Krish, the superhero, first donned his cape in the city of Singapore. Thus, when Hrithik Roshan returned there, what followed was fan mania galore. The superhero definitely leaving his mark.
My dad keeps saying Krish was actually born here. Technically, the first time I donned the suit of Krish was on the roads of Singapore among the people here. The first building that I jumped over was a Singaporean building.
Yeah, and at one point you even took out your glares and you gifted it to the kids and they went crazy.
They were my favorite glares, and I just, the students were, I just love speaking, to children and growing minds, because they are the future of our world, and I just got so inspired in return while I was talking to them, and the frenzy was so amazing that I saw a few faces saying, your glares. I was like, instead of just taking them off, I'm giving it to you.
The trailers, the promos, and one of the songs has been out now for a week and the promos have been on air for a while. Right. I just want to know, since the start of the Krish 3 journey, what's the most beautiful compliment possibly someone's given you? Or, what's the kind of, I want to know, specific instances of feedback on the promo or on a particular look or on a particular scene or action sequence that you've been getting?
You see, the first biggest thing is that we have already crossed 20 million views on the trailer, which has never happened. So this is one of the new beginnings for Krish. And then when the song came out, we've already touched 3 million. That's Raghupati Raghav. That's only been just 4 days. It's out now.
And that song has become a rage. Hrithik has been dancing, and everyone has been dancing on that song for you everywhere we've been going with you.
It's a relief. I mean, I think I've danced after some 6 or 7 years in a film. So thank you very much, everyone, for appreciating that.